And the Iloilo City government has consistently championed that right for every Ilonggo. We are deeply honored by the presence of our guest of honor today. Please join me in welcoming the Mayor of Iloilo City, Honorable Mayor Raisa Treñas.
To Metro Pacific Water, President and CEO Andrew Pangilinan, Vice Mayor Love Baronda, Councilors Johnny Yang, Romel Duron, and Councilor Rudolph Ganson, the Metro Pacific Water Chief Operating Officer Angelo Bilba, GM Fred Tayo of MIWD, Chairman MIWD Rebecca Maravilla, Board of Directors, Barangay officials, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, mayong aga sa inyong tanan. Today, we gather not simply to break ground for a pipeline project. We gather to take another step toward an inclusive, more livable, and more resilient Iloilo City. We know na importante kag isa ka basic necessity ang tubig sa aton pang-adlaw-adlaw. Ilimnon, hulugason, panglaba, pagpaninlo, pagluto, kag madamo pa. Gani, importante gid ang mga proyekto nga parehas sini. Bangod, bahin ini sa paghatag sang mas maayo nga kalidad sang pangabuhi sang aton pumuluyo. Kapilagid kay ina ni GM tayo ginahambal nga kada patawag ko sa PIW kag MIWD ginakibang sila. Balanin nyo sa tuod-tuod lang, kinabatsyag ko gid kung waay katubig. Nagalibot ako sa aton nga syudad. To see our constituents without water, I really feel the impact para sa ila kabuhi. I was explaining to the board of MIWD and MPIW, if we don't have water 24/7, where will the Ilonggos get water? That's why, personal gid para sa akon ang proyekto sang MPIW diri sa syudad. Kasakit ang akon buot kung hindi ma-deliver ang ilang nga gin-commit. Kay kung hindi ma-deliver, pila naman na kapamilya ang apektado kag hindi mahatagan tubig diri sa aton syudad. Yan pa insindi ko gid ina sa aton nga board sang MPIW kag MIWD. I wanted to share an anecdote. Sang galibot ko sa Lapus, kin-explain ko nga may development na kita dito, naga-pipe laying na kita. Bako magkatubig na kamo, kay may pipe laying na kita, kag may modular diesel na kita nga ibutang diri. Palanin niyo anong hambal sang tao? Ay, salamat, Mayor. Makapaligo na kami adlaw-adlaw. Sabat ko sa iya ay budlay na gali, basi magdamo pagid bata mo. Imagine, by just taking a bath, amo na ang pinaka-importante. If we buy water from the distributors, or ang ginatawag naton sa barangay, nga galibod nga naga-container, it costs us more than having water in our faucets. That's why I always tell MPIW and MIWD, I hope that they will not take this as a business. I hope that whenever they do their projects here in Iloilo City, they will take it into heart because lives are affected. And that's why, the reason why, nga kinaisa-isa ko gid, ang GM tayo, results-oriented, kina-monitor ko, diin na sila nga district, ano na nga proyekto, san o matapos, para masigurado makadeliver kita tubig sa bugos nga syudad sa Iloilo. Kay bilang mga Ilonggo, nagapatigid kita nga ang kada pamilya nagakilanlan kag deserve sang safe kag di kalidad nga serbisyo sa tubig. For the residences of our Uswag 4PH condominium complex and the Uswag residential complex by NHA, this project remains and represents greater access to a reliable water supply and the assurance that essential services continue to reach every community within our city. Nag-commit ang aton partner sa PPP, si Ion Realty. By the next 10 months, magatindog na ang duwa ka condominium complex diri sa aton nga Uswag 4PH condominium complex. Timing lang siguro ang aton pipe-laying subong aga. Makaya naton, David, in the next 10 months, magkatubig na ang aton nga condominium complex? Kaya. And also, our Uswag residential complex by NHA, we will also be launching this in the next, hopefully, also 10 months. 240 condominium units, also here in this site. One site, one family, how many liters do we need? At least with this time, we were able to compute and we were able to deliver with the pipe-laying activities that we're having here in San Isidro. Iloilo City Government believes that development must be felt by every Ilonggo. Nagalabot sa kada panimalay, kag nagalabot sa kada komunidad. Isa ko gid ka mangkot kay David. Ongoing ang aton nga pipe-laying sa main roads. How do you assure me nga magasulod ina sa mga galagmay nga mga communities naton diri sa syudad para masigurado nga ang tanan may access sa potable water? Last month or early this month, nag-present 2 weeks ago, nag-present ang MPIW sang ilang plans, and then hopefully by next month ang mga kilanlan naton nga pipe-laying activities, they will be presenting it to us. By this year, they have committed at least 50 more pipe-laying activities here in Iloilo City. That will make sure to lower down our NRW, to give access to water, and to increase the target coverage of MPIW here in Iloilo. Access to reliable water should never be a privilege, but a basic service that every family can depend on, so that the lives of the Ilonggos will also improve. Kin-compute ko na, kung nagabakal ka sang tubig sa galunan, Mas mahal, tagpila gastuta. 2 piso kada litro, no? Piso kada litro, kagambal sila, kada tao, kilanlan mo 5 liters a day to survive. Minimum. Bako gani, isa ka coke litro, tungaon mo, isa ka coke litro aga mo, isa ka coke litro apon mo. Amo na kuno ang minimum. But if you're buying water, it's very expensive. Amoy na nga gina-push gid naton ang MPIW, ang ila ongoing pipe-laying activities, and additional sources of bulk water. Ang ako niya ginasturya sa ila, hindi lang source for the bulk water, but I'm asking for redundancy for Iloilo City. Amoy na nga dapat damo sila sources. Ang isa ka area, hindi makatag, may available, anytime available, para wala untat tubod tubig diri sa aton syudad. By these projects, I know that it will bring us closer to our goal and to the kind of Iloilo City we all aspire to build. To Metro Pacific Iloilo Water, thank you for your continued partnership. Hasta 11 sang gabi, ga-update pa sila sa akon kung kamusta na ang status ng tubig ta. And for your commitment to helping meet the growing needs of our city. As we break ground today, let us also strengthen our shared commitment to creating communities that are healthy, sustainable, and prepared for the future. Because at the end of the day, every project we build should lead to a one outcome, a better life for every Ilonggo family. Madamo gid nga salamat sa aton nga tanan, kag mayong aga.